Welcome. So here's the unique paper code. Name of the paper is Constitutional Values and Fundamental Duties. It's a VAC course and it's for semester 1 to 4. Total duration is 1 hour. Maximum marks is 30. And here are the instructions for the candidate. First question is compulsory. Attempt any two questions. Okay, each question carries 10 marks. Okay, you have to either attempt in English or Hindi. Okay, question 1. Write short notes and note two of the following. A. Separation of powers. B. Sovereignty. C. Secularism. D. Justice. Question 2. Discuss the relevance of constitutional values in our life. Question 3. Discuss the significance of federal republic as mentioned in the Constitution. Question 4. Discuss the concept of equality in reference to the Indian Constitution. Thank you. If you guys want any other PYQs or any other subject, do mention in the comments and subscribe for more DU content.